snow.
Happy snow day. Woohoo! About 8 inches of snow in Kansas City.
Sleds and just roll them down this slope.
What do you think, Charlotte?
Get that ball. Get it. Get that ball.
Get the ball, Char.
Catch.
Oh, Eliza. Are you crawling to me?
Yeah, she hasn't moved one spot. Oh, there we go. 1 step, 2 step.
Snow
There we
monster.
go. I got
Snow monster.
snowball.
What's the matter, Char?
You did it. That's what you do. You wipe it off. You stood up again, Char.
Happy snow day, Brandon.
Happy snow day.
You're off of school, aren't you?
Yep.
This is the first snow in 5 years.
Last year, yeah.
No, we haven't had any snow.
Well, we built a snow fort. We had a huge snowball
Oh,
fight
yeah,
back
that
here.
Eliza hates to wear clothes, even in the snow.
The jacket and the gloves on, it won't be so cold. See, Daddy has his jacket on. Daddy has.
Winter Wonderland. Sledding without a sled. Smarty Pants Eliza. Allison will demonstrate how to sled.
Oh, here.
Snow is beautiful.
Okay, run up to the top of the hill.
Yum. Chilling with Charlotte. There she goes. She's looking like a Charlotte. No expression.
There's not much of a path there.
Eliza's face is totally hidden. Whoa, that was the...
Here comes Liza in.
You're totally in the snow.
Whee!
Face. Get it.
Woohoo! Suicide Hill! But not really.
There we go. That's right. 1, 2, 1, 2. Go!